Spring cleaning is good for your health and home, but it's also good for your wallet. Your washing machine usually does the cleaning, but sometimes it too needs a wash. Run the disinfecting cycle or fill it with a mix of hot water, distilled vinegar, and baking soda. Let the mixture sit for an hour, and then rinse it clean to remove excess dirt and improve the machine's efficiency. You should also check air vents and ducts for dust. If they look dirty, wipe them down to create better airflow. Then check the filters on your furnace and AC units. New air filters improve air quality and keep your HVAC system running its best.